Apple is testing a new live note system at some of its retail locations. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Live Note system uses AI to record and transcribe Genius Bar sessions with customers. In the latest edition of his Power On newsletter, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports that the Live Note system lets Apple store employees' record sessions with an artificial intelligence tool that transcribes and summarizes the conversations with customers. That transcript is then saved to Apple's internal Genius Bar system. The goal is to let employees focus on customer service rather than taking notes. Live Notes reportedly requires both the employee and customer to opt in before a Genius Bar session is recorded. Still, Apple retail employees are said to be concerned about how this Live Note system could eventually be used to coach workers or factor into performance reviews. But the company has indicated that the recordings themselves won't be saved and managers don't receive the transcripts. Employees can also edit both the transcript and summary before saving them to Apple's internal Genius Bar system. Moreover, it's meant to be an opt-in program, and right now it's not even mandatory. Bloomberg says it's unclear whether Apple plans to expand the system to more stores, making it mandatory, or change how transcripts are used. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.